Good morning, students. Welcome to the lesson on geometric constructions. Children, I hope you all must be familiar with all these instruments present in your geometry box. In this video, we are going to learn to use these instruments to construct different geometrical figures. Now, let us start with the most important tools of a geometry box is the pencil. We draw different geometrical figures with the help of pencil like point, line segments, lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, circles, triangles and squares with the help of pencil and other tools in a geometry box. So, let us study in detail the use of these tools. Let us begin with ruler. It is also known as scale. Ruler is the most essential tool used in almost all constructions. It has a flat surface with 4 straight edges. It has small divisions with centimeters. The divisions are marked as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The other side of the edge is divided into inches. We usually measure lengths in meters and centimeters. These inches are divided into 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now, scale is usually used to measure the lengths of the line segments. And we take it the reference point as 0. So, we can measure the line segments with the help of a scale and we can draw the line segments too. Our next tool in a geometry box is the compass. Compass is also known as pair of compasses. It has two ends. One end holds the pointer whereas the other end holds the pencil. The basic use of a compass is to mark the lengths, to mark arcs and to construct circles. The required length can be adjusted by the two lengths. So, we use compass to make the arcs and the circles. Divider is yet another important tool in your geometry box. It is similar to compass, but it has two pointer ends. It is used to compare length of line segments. We can measure the length with the divider. Children, why do we need a divider to compare the lengths of line segment when we can use the ruler? The answer is comparing the length with ruler may not give exact reading. This type of error is known as positioning error. So, to avoid such positioning errors, we use divider. These instruments always comes with a pair of triangular tools. These are called set squares. One of the set square is an isosceles triangle, whereas the other one is scalene triangle. Both of them has a right angle at one corner. The set square, which is isosceles triangle, has two angles 45 degree each. The set square, that is scalene triangle, has 30° and 60° each. The perpendicular sides of each set square is graduated to centimeters. These tools are used to draw perpendicular lines and drawing parallel lines. Children, lastly, this is a measuring tool known as the protractor. It is semicircular in shape. The center of the semicircle is called the center point or the midpoint of the protractor. This point is always considered as the reference point of the protractor. It has plain edges and a curved edge. So it has two edges. One is plain edge and one is the curved edge. So this horizontal edge is known as the straight edge or the baseline of the protractor. The curved line is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1 degree. The parts are marked as 0 to 180 degree in both the directions. A protractor is used to measure angles and to draw different types of angles varying from 0 to 180 degree. Children, here are the some important points you should remember while doing constructions. Thank you. Happy learning. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.